and offer the flowers at Swamiji's feet at the end of the mantra.
Pushpanjali Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Ajnanatitirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Aneka Janma Samprapta Karma Bandha Vidahine Atma Jnana Pradhanena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Mannatha Shri Jagannatho Madguru Shri Jagadguru Mamatma Sarvabhutatma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha Nityanandam Paramasukhadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadrisham Tattvamasyaadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshi Bhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami Pushpanjalim Samarpayami Sadguru Charana Kamalebhyo Namaha Om Nityanandam.
The next is the chanting of the Swasti mantra, peace chants to bless and heal the world. The meaning of the mantra we're going to chant now is, let there be auspiciousness of humanity. Let the rulers rule the land in the righteous way. Let there be auspiciousness upon the cows, the earth, and the Brahmins eternally. Let all the people in all the worlds be happy. Let there be timely rains. Let the earth be full of crops. Let this country be rid of drought and famine. Let all the spiritual seekers be without fear. I pray to the great people who are here to bless that these words of invocation of auspiciousness and blessings come true. So be it. Let the wicked become noble. Noble attain peace. The peaceful be liberated from all bondages, and the liberated ones liberate others. I pray to the great people to bless that these words of invocation of auspiciousness and blessings come true. So be it. Let those who do not have children have children. Let those who have children have grandchildren. Let those who do not have wealth have wealth. Let all live for 100 years. I pray to the great people who are here to bless that these words of invocation of auspiciousness and blessings come true. So be it. Let the ruler be righteous, the subjects be with good conduct. Let them have puja as their wealth and strength, and let them be noble. Let the brahmanas who have learning, teaching, donating, receiving the donation, doing ritualistic sacrifice of one's own self and for others as their duty, always have divine blessing words come from their mouth. Let there be no trouble and sorrow caused to sages, saints and masters, and let them always be blissful. Let everyone tread the path of Vedic tradition, be with mutual understanding, and be happy. I pray to the great people who are here to bless that these words of invocation of auspiciousness and blessings come true. So be it. Let everybody, along with their near and dear ones, have devotion at the lotus feet of the Jagat Guru, Bhagavan Srila Sri Paramahamsa Nityananda. Sri Jnana Sambandha Desika Paramacharya Swami, who is the Lord of all the gods, the Supreme Lord, who is the Lord of the trillions of Brahmandas, the one who creates, sustains, destroys, puts in illusion and liberates all the worlds, the one who is without a beginning, a middle and an end, the one with unparalleled power and heroism, the one who has realized the truth, the one who is the embodiment of the Supreme Shiva, Nityanandeshwara, who is with the Mother Nityanandeshwari, the one who is the embodiment of the primordial Master, Arunagiri Yogeshwara, the one who is the embodiment of Kala Bhairava and Mahakali, the one who is the incarnation of Tirunjana Sambandha, who has adorned the Shyamala Pita, who is the embodiment of Sri Meenakshi Sundareshwara, the one who is the favorite son of Lord Shiva, the incarnation who graced himself as a young guru, the one who, because of drinking the breast milk of Mother Parvati, created the Dravida Veda, which is the essence of the Vedas and the Agamas, the one who is the establisher of the Pearl Palanquin, received by the grace of Lord Shiva, the one who is the founder of the Shaiva tradition, the one who has adorned the seat of omniscience, the one who is the master of the cosmos, such a master who has adorned the sacred seat of omniscience, previously adorned by Meenakshi Sundareshwara and revived by Tirunjana Sambandha, the one who is the 293rd Guru Mahasannidhanam of that spiritual kingdom, revived by Tirunjana Sambandha, the one who is the 1008 Mandaleshwar of Mahanirvani Pita, the one who is in the state of Paramahamsa, the Acharya of all sannyasis, that is, the wandering monks and Parivrajakas, the one who is the embodiment of the sacred syllable Om, the one who is the embodiment of the pure truth, consciousness and bliss, the one who is the knower of the Vedas, the one who is established in the superconsciousness and who is the founder of the Nityananda Dhyanapita, Mahasimhasana, which has festivity all around it all the time, which has auspiciousness, all great divine qualities, and it is ever alluring. Let everyone with their near and dear ones have all wealth and prosperity.
Nityapurishwara Nityananda, Nityapurishwara Nityananda, 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 Nityananda.
The grace of the Master, growing security, fortitude, power, victory, longevity, health and wealth, and a diseaseless healthy body. Let everyone have the lineage grow till there is the sun and the moon. Let everyone have the fruition of the four goals of their life, that is dharma, living all aspects of their life through righteous means, artha, earning a living for themselves through righteous means, kama, fulfilling their desires through righteous means, and moksha, liberation from all bondages that exist for them as human beings. Let everyone have the fruition of the noble wishes and thoughts in the mind. Let everyone have the unwavering devotion at the lotus feet of the embodiment of all the gods and goddesses. Enlightened Master Nityananda, and by the grace of the Master, have living enlightenment along with dispassion towards lower level pleasures and passion for enlightenment. I pray to the great people to bless these words. So be it. Let all people be happy. So be it. Let all have peace. So be it. Let all auspiciousness prevail. So be it. Let the flag of Nityananda fly high everywhere. So be it. Let all have the complete grace of Bhagavan Srila Sri Paramahamsa Nityananda Sri Jnana Sambandha Desika Paramacharya Swamiji, the Acharya, whose feet has the qualities of dignity, majesty, distinction, excellence, and beauty. So be it. Let Dharma keep on growing. So be it. Let everything be offered at the feet of the Master. Om Nityanandam. Now, while these peace chants are being chanted, please cognize which is internally process, understand, and respond by visualizing a wave of love emanating from your heart center and reaching out to the whole world in all directions, healing and blessing all the beings who reside in this world. Om.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः इति स्वस्ति मन्त्रार्था सत्या सफला भवन्तो इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तो तथास्तु दुर्जनः सज्जनो भूयात् सज्जनः शान्तिमाप्नुयात् शान्तो मुच्येत बन्धेभ्यः मुक्तश्चान्यान् विमोचयेत् इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तो तथास्तु अपुत्रा पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अदनाः सदनाः सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदः शतम् इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तो तथास्तु राजा धर्मपतिः प्रजा सुचरिताः पूजाधना सज्जनाः षट्कर्म प्रवरा द्विजाः प्रतिदिनं विद्या अनवद्या सदा वाणी सन्निहिता चिरं कविमुखैः सानन्दमव्याकुलाः सर्वे सन्तु वैदिक धर्म अनुष्ठातारः सौजन्य सन्तोषिणः इति स्वस्ति मन्त्रार्था सत्या सफला भवन्तो इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तो तथास्तु येषां देवदेवानां महादेवानां अखिलाण्डकोटि ब्रह्माण्ड नायकानां सकल भुविशिष्टि स्थिति संहार तिरोभावानुग्रहाख्य पंचकृत्य परायणानाम् आदिमध्यान्तरहितानाम् अप्रमेय पराक्रमाणाम् तत्त्वार्थ गोचराणाम् श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरि अम्बा समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परशिव स्वरूपानाम् श्री आदिगुरु अरुणगिरि योगीश्वर स्वरूपानाम् श्री कालभैरव महाकाली स्वरूपानाम् श्री कैलासोन्नत द्वादशान्त श्यामला पीठारूढानाम् श्री मीनाक्षी सुन्दरेश्वरा भिन्न स्वरूपानाम् परशिव पुत्र रत्नकुमार गुरुमन्यतुल्यावताराणाम् श्री पार्वती स्तन्यपान लब्ध दिव्य ज्ञान विश्रुत सकल निगमागम सारभूत द्राविड वेद प्रवर्तकानाम् श्रीमत् परम शिव करुणा समधिगत मुक्तामय चतुरश्रयान स्थापकानाम् शैव समय कर्तॄणाम् सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढानाम् श्री जगद्गुरो श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक स्वामिनाम् अवतार भूतानाम् तत्पुनरुद्धृत सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढानाम् तज्ज्ञान साम्राज्य शासकानाम् 93 गुरु महासन्निधानानाम् महानिर्वाणि पीठस्याष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामण्डलेश्वराणाम् श्रीमत् परमहंसानाम् परिव्राजकाचार्यवर्याणाम् सच्चिदानन्द प्रणव स्वरूपानाम् श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठानाम् नित्योत्सव नित्य मंगल नित्य कल्याण नित्य रजित नित्यानंद ध्यान पीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठ कर्तॄणाम् जगद्गुरूणाम् भगवान् श्रील श्री परमहंस नित्यानंद श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनाम् पादारविन्दयोः भक्ति सिद्धिः समेषाम् सह कुटुम्बानाम् सकलैश्वर्य प्राप्तिः गुरुकृपा कटाक्ष सिद्धिः क्षेम स्थैर्य वीर्य विजय आयुरारोग्य ऐश्वर्याणाम् अभिवृद्धिः अरोगदृढगात्रता सिद्धिः आचन्द्रार्कवंशाभिवृद्धिः धर्मार्थ काम मोक्ष चतुर्विध फल पुरुषार्थ सिद्धिः सर्वेषां मनसा चिन्तित सत्कार्यानुकूल सिद्धिः सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपस्य सद्गुरु नित्यानंद देवस्य पादारविन्दयोः अचञ्चला भक्ति सिद्धिः श्री सद्गुरु प्रसादेन सकुटुम्बस्य ज्ञान वैराग्य जीवन मुक्ति प्राप्तिश्च भूयात् इति भवन्तो महान्तो न गृह्णन्तो तथास्तु सर्वे जनाः सुखिनः सन्तु तथास्तु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु तथास्तु समस्त सन्मङ्गलानि सन्तु तथास्तु सर्वत्र नित्यानन्द ध्वजारोहणं भवतु तथास्तु सर्वेषां भगवान् श्री परमहंस नित्यानंद श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां परिपूर्ण कृपा कटाक्ष सिद्धिः अस्तु तथास्तु अयं धर्मः उत्तरोत्तरम् अभिवृद्धिः अस्तु तथास्तु सर्वं श्री सद्गुरु पादुकार्पणमस्तु ओम नित्यानंदम्
Nityanandam. We warmly welcome the Sri Mahants, Kotaris, Thanedars, Samajis, Satsangis, Ashramites, Balasants, devotees, disciples and the visitors to yet another profoundly transformational Nitya Satsang with a rare living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda. To be enriched to your peak possibility, we request you all to be in a space of deep completion and authentic listening. We will now be chanting the Rudram. Please be in an absorptive space of listening and deep completion while receiving the mantras and chant them from your navel center as loud as possible.
Dhyanam Apatala Nabhastalanta Bhuvana Brahmanda Mavispurate Jyotispatika Lingamali Vilasat Purnendu Vantamitaihi Astokaplutam Ekamisham Anisham Rudrano Vakanjapanna Dhyaye Deepsita Siddhaye Dhruvapadam Viprabhi Shinche Shivam Brahmanda Vyapta Deha Bhasita Himarucha Bhasamana Bhujangaihi Kante कलित शशिकला चण्डकोदण्डहस्ता त्र्यक्षा रुद्राक्षमाला प्रकटित विभवा शाम्भवा मूर्तिभेदाः रुद्रा श्रीरुद्रसूक्त प्रकटित विभवा न प्रयच्छन्तु सौख्यम् गणनान्त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजम् ब्रह्मणाम् ब्रह्मणस्पत आनश्चिन्वन् नोतिभिः सीद साधनम् महागणाधिपतये नमः। आपाताल नभस्तलान्त भुवन ब्रह्माण्ड मा विस्फुरते ज्योतिस्फाटिका लिंगमौळी विलसत् पूर्णेन्दु वान्तामृतैः
नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। आई वेलकम ऑल द डिवोटीज, डिसाइपल्स, समाजीज, सत्संगीज, Srimahans, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars who are sitting with us all over the world at this time through Nityananda TV, Lotus News Channel, Sadhana TV, Janashri TV, Ishwar TV and through two-way video conferencing. Having Nainadiksha in 36 cities, in many cities, many countries around the world. Cities sitting with us through two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, Nityananda University Los Angeles, Nityananda University Paris, Nityananda Nagara Hyderabad, Nityananda Nagara Thiruvannamalai, sorry, Nityananda Nagar Thiruvannamalai, Nityananda Nagaramu Hyderabad, Singapore Singapuram, Varanasi, Ohio Prayag, Toronto Kailasam, Oklahoma Somanatham, Vancouver Bhubaneswar, Charlotte Srisailam, Seremban Sivagasi, St. Louis Tirumala, Houston Kalahasti, Kuala Lumpur Parani, Simi Valley California, Seattle Chidambaram, Tuen Mun Hong Kong, Jorpati Nepal, Hyderabad Gupta Kashi, Bogota Colombia, Abu Dhabi Oman Sivagangai, Winston-Salem North Carolina, Slovakia Pobrad, Bogota Colombia, High Point North Carolina, Guadalupe Rameshwaram, Vancouver Bhubaneswar, Scottsdale Arizona, Kastau Croatia, San Antonio Texas, London Kashi, Port Washington USA, Tirupattur Dhyanapitham, Dubai Vaidyanatham, Paris Kalighat, San Jose Madurai. That's it. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I'll expand on experiencing Advaita. As I committed, I'll extend the time for finding your incompletions till tomorrow, means till the USA, not tomorrow, Monday morning. No, for USA Monday morning. Then it may be only Tuesday I will be able to lead you to start the completion process, because I gave a word, I will extend the time helping you all to discover your incompletions. Please listen. The first foremost incompletion you develop is identifying you with a small boundary. Please listen. Identifying you with the small boundary. First foremost incompletion you experience in your life is identifying you with the small boundary. Just see, what do you feel about yourself in your dreams, early morning when you wake up, or your default idea about you. Understand? Please listen. Your altered idea about you will never be accepted as you by the people around you. Your teamily, team plus family is teamily. Your teamily is intelligent enough to recognize your default identity, and it will never ever accept your altered identity as you, because 24 hours you will not be able to hold on to your altered identity. You will fall back on your default identity. So please understand, The only way to get rid of the default identity, recognizing it is not your true identity. Second, completing with it. Alternative identity is not transformed identity. Alternative identity is not authentic identity. Just see, what is your default identity? You will see that frightened child, that terrorized child, all the time waiting to get tired, waiting to get bored, waiting to give up, already planning to break. When you start the business, already your default plan is, if it collapses and I go bankrupt, what should I do? When you tie the knot for the marriage itself, if this marriage breaks and ends up in divorce, what should I do? Everything, while you are starting itself, please listen. I am not saying don't be careful. I am only saying don't be foolish. This carefulness of a frightened child is nothing but not even getting out of your cradle. From cradle, you directly want to jump into grave. You do not want anything between the cradle and the grave. If both can be two in one, you will be more happy. Complete that frightened child inside. Actually, if you talk to your teamily, and ask the help of your teamily to identify your incompletions and inauthenticities, actually teamily can suggest only your inauthenticities. You only can find the root of incompletions based on the inauthenticity input. Please understand. Identifying your incompletions based on the input from your teamily about your inauthenticities is what I describe, I define in Sanskrit as anava. Anor bhavaha means the feeling of belittled, not being little, belittled. Being can never become little, feeling belittled. Anava, anor bhavaha. Please understand. The word anava, we always have a wrong meaning. We portray Ravana or Hiranya, Hiranyaksha, Kamsa, Shishubala to portray Anava. No. Understand? Of course, they are all embodiment of Anava, no doubt, but not the context from which you understand. You always think Anava means showing more than what you are. But Anava means feeling lower than what you are. Only then you start showing more than what you are. Feeling belittled. Please understand. There is a big difference between these two. If you understand Anava as showing more than what you are, you will start doing completely wrong exercise, trying to show yourself as a very humble. I have seen in my life, these so-called humble people are the most poisonous fellows on the planet Earth. They are the most dangerous people on the planet Earth. Just to prove they are humble, they will do any nonsense. Anor Bhavaha. These so-called humble people are the worst criminals, poisonous people. Understand? Humility is not thinking less about you, it is thinking about you less. Humility is not thinking less about you, it is thinking about you less. Whether you identify yourself as bigger or smaller, thinking less about it is humility. Means humility is all about the quantity of the time you spend on you, not about the quality of time you spend on you. Understand? Humility is all about the quantity of time you spend on you. I am defining humility. Otherwise, I know in the ashram, some of these so-called humble fellows, such poisons, extreme poisons. Understand? When you take the help of your teamily, when they suggest all your inauthenticities, you tracking the origin of those inauthenticities in you, discovering those incompletions is what I call the process of discovering Anava. Anor Bhavaha Anava. In the great tradition of Shaivism, the Anava is the original sin. That is the first separator of you and Pashupati, Mahadeva, Shiva. The Anava means feeling of belittled. feeling of belittled is the first separator that first separates you and Mahadeva, the original substance of existence. That's a definition I want to give for Mahadeva, the original substance of existence. Listen, the Anava cannot be identified just by you alone, nor it can be identified only by the people around you. When there is a cooperation between the people around you and you, you discover Anava. Understand? Only people around you, if they point out your incompletions without your cooperation, it will only lead to more and more pain, suffering, fight, incompletions. The people around you, your teamily should have tremendous understanding about the possibility of you and help you to identify your incompletions by pointing out your inauthenticities. Understand? I am defining the whole process. First thing, you clearly pen down your authentic identity. What is your inner image, outer image, life image and others' image? You pen down properly and declare it to your teamily. Let your teamily pinpoint all the inauthenticities you are having. Why you are not able to achieve your authentic identity? When your teamily points out your inauthenticities, don't fall into incompletion. Now take those inauthenticities and start looking into the origins of that inauthenticity in you. If your teamily says you don't have a love or compassion or trust, don't fall into incompletion. You are not a failure. You might have failed, but you are not a failure. Understand? You might have failed from your birth, but you are not a failure. Because you have a consciousness which is born. The consciousness can never be a failure. Listen. When your teamily points out you don't have love, trust, compassion, look back when that feeling belittled has started in you. Feeling small, feeling belittled, that fear, powerlessness, when that started in you, catch when that Anava started growing in you. Anava, I think I can say one of the best beautiful word to describe the true happening of feeling belittled. Because only when you feel belittled, you show you are big. You try to belittle others. When you track back, when you trace back, when you started feeling belittled first, come up with all the incidents when the pattern started and how you built that pattern, it will not be more than 15 paise worth. You would have started feeling belittled when your brother snatched 3 candy from you. With that feeling belittled, you gave up your Shivahood itself. You have not lost just the 3 candy. Because you decided to carry on that feeling belittled, you lost Shivahood itself. See, when you started building that feeling belittled, please understand why I am continuously expanding on the incompletion so elaborately, because I want each one of you to identify all the incompletions. You see, if you identify, burning is my work. See, I am like a garbage lorry owner. I clean all your garbage, but you have to leave it outside your garage. I cannot come inside your house and take. If I come inside your house and take, you will tell I am a thief. You have to separate what is garbage, what is your belongings. So you have to separate what is incompletion and what is you. You cannot say, no, you yourself come and separate and take it and go, because you are such a cunning fellow. If I enter into your house and if I myself start dividing, you will say, oh, I think this fellow wants this furniture. That is why he says, this is my garbage. Anything I tell is not yours, you think it is useful for me. And you are so strongly associated with your belongings, you are so attached to them, you forget you gave permission for me to come in and separate your incompletions and completions, separate your garbage and you forget and start kicking me out. Hey thief, you have come inside to steal my items, my life, my belongings. Human beings are the most dangerous species to work with, Baba. No other species has caused so much of destruction to all the planets happened. No other planet Mahadeva has to visit so many times, taking a human incarnation, than this planet Earth. Because, see, there are some kids who are very polite, nice, you leave them in one room. There are some kids who will make hell. Every 5 minutes you have to enter into that room and see. Even if there is no sound from that room, you need to just enter in and see. So this planet Earth is like that. Constantly you have to peep in what these fellows are doing. Only after the anava, feeling belittled, the karma and maya starts acting upon you, starts working on you. Please understand, on a stone, seed cannot grow. If there is no anava, Karma and Maya cannot grow. Only a fertile land can allow the seed to grow. So only if you are fertile with Anava, the karma and Maya, incompletions and delusions can grow. If you complete with this Anava, means feeling belittled, the incompletions called karma and delusions called Maya will simply disappear. They will not be having any power over you. The Pashu will merge into Pati and Pasu Pati will happen. There are some fools who don't know what is their Siddhanta. They try to tell, I don't know Saiva Siddhanta. You may not know your Siddhanta, but I know my Siddhanta. Anava, feeling belittled. Please listen. It is Anava, feeling belittled, is what you need to trace down by the help of your Timili. Your Timili, when they point out your inauthenticities, start tracing back, tracking back when those incompletions. See, the incompletions is the pattern which causes inauthenticity. Track down, trace back the incidents, incompletions you started building in you, which is responsible for your inauthenticity. When you track them down, when you trace them back, you will understand the source of Anava. How you started allowing, entertaining Anava, the feeling of belittled. Feeling of belittled, when it makes you to belittle others, the Anava has ripened into a complete double-edged sword. Anava has reached its peak when feeling belittled makes you belittle others. Do not think belittling others is Anava. If you think in that way, you will never get out of Anava. Please understand, many people behave in a very humble way to showcase they are humble. I have seen some of the political leaders do this stunt. Try to show They travel in the public transport, train, auto, rickshaw, public transport. But for these fellows to maintain their humbleness, the amount of money, the government money lost. Have the right understanding about Anava. Feeling belittled, making you make others belittled. When you feel you are little, when you feel you are belittled, when you feel you as a small, you will try to make everyone feel as small by showing you as big. This all happens only in India. These fellows catch the auto rickshaw in the street or catch the local bus to go to the airport to get the private jet. From airport to the city, airport to airport is private jet. But from till the airport only is all this auto rickshaw. All this foolishness can happen only in India. I don't want to name because I never made any political statement till now. Humbleness is not thinking less about you, it is thinking about you less. It's a quantity of time you spend on you. When the quantity of time you spend on you is reduced, you become humble. You can humbly arrogant. Show your humbleness, but be very aggressive and arrogant to establish your humbleness everywhere. Listen. Anyhow, we don't need to bother about who is feeling belittled, who is making others feel belittled, all that, forget about it. Let's work on our spiritual truth, the true experience about us. I will repeat the instructions. Take the help of your teamily. Ask them to help you to find your inauthenticities. Whatever they think as your inauthenticity, take their input. Then you sit. Only you can track down, trace back the source of those patterns in you, which started in you as Anava, feeling belittled. Start penning down for next few days till Tuesday morning satsang. I will continue to guide all of you to discover various incompletions, Anava, Kanma, Maya, Anava, feeling belittled, anor bhavaha, karma, incompletions in your thinking, speech and actions, maya, delusion, means you yourself start believing the lies you start telling to others. That is maya. I have seen some of these fellows who are in the marketing department constantly marketing to others, they themselves start believing. Your real Swarupa has to be Jnana, not Ajnana. Your Swarupa has to be Jnana, not Ajnana, delusion. You should be a Jnana Swarupa, not Ajnana Swarupa. Ajnana Swarupa means what you go on marketing to others, you also start believing. What you show it as advertisement marketing to others, you start believing that. You start showing your advertisement to your producer itself. That is Ajnana Swarupa. You have to complete with that and become Jnana Swarupa. Your advertisements are okay, your trailers are okay to tell the people to see the movie, buy the product, but you should not run your trailer to the producer itself. You should not run your advertisement to the producer itself. Then you become Ajnana. So with this, next few days I will continue to help all of you, guide all of you to find, trace your Anava Kanma Maya, feeling belittled and incompletions and delusions, which separates you from Mahadeva, Shiva. Now, we will move to the Kalpataru process. All the participants who are gathered for Kalpataru Darshan in Bidadi, in St. Louis, Toronto, Tirupattur, Kuala Lumpur, morning 4 and 5, Bidadi, including Bidadi, 5 cities. Evening, Pretoria, South Africa. But now whoever is gathered for Kalpataru Darshan in Kuala Lumpur, Tirupattur, Toronto, St. Louis and Bidadi, all of you, please pick up your paper and pen, start penning down one thought you want to cause as a reality and all the incompletions you have around that thought, impossibilities, doubts, fears you have about that thought. Pen down both. Now, please sit straight. Complete with all your incompletions, doubts, fears, impossibility, and drop it and hold on to the space you want to create as reality. For example, if you want health, visualize the health is there for you already now. If you want success, visualize it is there already now with you. If you want wealth, visualize it is there already now with you. And all the incompletions, doubts, impossibilities you have about achieving what you want, complete them and drop. Hold on to this visualization, the space for what you want to cause as reality, powerfully. Please hold on to that space, close your eyes and meditate on it.
கருணார்ணவமாய் கருதக்கதினல்கும் அருணாச்சல சிவமீதா ஜோதி எழும் ஈசனை மால் முன்னமரர் ஏற்றி வழிபட்ட நாள் மாசி சிவராத்திரி அம்மற்று தங்களருளால் உலகம் தாங்குவதற்கன்றி இங்குறைவன் சித்தனென என்றும் எனதுள்ளே பொங்கி ஒளிரும் புகைப்பல் போகமொடு என்றுள்ளே எல்லா உலகும் தகையவியலால் புல்லாவினைகள் குணமாம் புகலீது இல்லாததுவாம் எது கண்ணுறலால் எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே தெரியல்லை உற்று கண்ணுற்றால் கருத்தினால் தூர கருதினாலுமே வருத்தமுறாது வராத வேதாந்த அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே யோசனை மூன்றாம் இத்தலவாசற்கு ஆசருதி கையாதியின்றியுமின் பாசமில் சாயுச்சியம் பயக்குமே ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே
என்றுமே அறவோர் அன்பர்க்கு இருப்பிடம் இத்தலந்தான் கொன்றுவார் பிறக்கின்னாமுன் உண்மைய பன்னோய் துன்னி ஒன்று ராது மொழியும் தீயோர் முரண் ஒரு கணத்திங்கங்கே குன்று அருளை ஈசன் கோபவெந்தழல் விழாது குன்று அருளை ஈசன் கோபவெந்தழல் விழாது குன்று அருளை ஈசன் கோபவெந்தழல் விழாது
கருணார்ணவமாய் கருதக்கதினல்கும் அருணாச்சல சிவமீதா அதுவே தலம் அருணாச்சலம் தலம் யாவிலும் அதிகம் அது இதய பதியாமொரு மறுமத்தலம் பதியாமவன் அதிலே பதிவானொளி மலையாய் நிதம் அருணாச்சலமெனவே. ஆதி அருணாச்சல பேரற்புதலிங்கத்துருக்குள் ஆதிநாள் மார்கழியில் ஆதிரை அஜோதி எழும் ஈசனை மால் முன்னமரர் ஏற்றி வழிபட்ட நாள் மாசி சிவராத்திரி அம்மற்று. அங்கி உருவாயும் மொழி மங்குகிரியாக தங்களருளால் உலகம் தாங்குவதற்கன்றி இங்குறைவன் சித்தனென என்றும் எனதுள்ளே பொங்கி ஒளிரும் புகைப்பல் போகமொடு என்றுள்ளே. எல்லா உலகும் தகையவியலால் புல்லாவினைகள் குணமாம் புகலீது இல்லாததுவாம் எது கண்ணுறலால் எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே. தெரியல்லை உற்று கண்ணுற்றால் கருத்தினால் தூர கருதினாலுமே வருத்தமுறாது வராத வேதாந்த அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே. யோசனை மூன்றாம் இத்தலவாசற்கு ஆசருதி கையாதியின்றியுமின் பாசமில் சாயுச்சியம் பயக்குமே ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே.
என்றுமே அறவோர் அன்பர்க்கு இருப்பிடம் இத்தலந்தான் கொன்றுவார் பிறக்கின்னாமுன் உண்மைய பன்னோய் குன்னி ஒன்று ராது மொழியும் தீயோர் முரண் ஒரு கணத்திங்கங்கே குன்று அருளை ஈசன் கோபவெந்தழல் விழாது குன்று அருளை ஈசன் கோபவெந்தழல் விழாது குன்று அருளை ஈசன் கோபவெந்தழல் விழாது.
கதி நல்கும் அருணாச்சல சிவமீதா. அதுவே தலம் அருணாச்சலம் தலம் யாவிலும் அதிகம். அது பூமியின் இதயம் அறி அதுவே சிவன் இதய பதியாம் ஒரு மருமத்தலம் பதியாம் அவன் அதிலே பதிவானொளி மலையாய் நிதம் அருணாச்சலம் எனவே. ஆதி அருணாச்சல பேரற்புதலிங்கத்துருக்குள் ஆதிநாள் மார்கழியில் ஆதிரை அஜோதி எழும் ஈசனை மால் முன்னமரர் ஏற்றி வழிபட்ட நாள் மாசி சிவராத்திரி அம்மற்று. அங்கி உருவாயும் மொழி மங்குகிரியாக தங்களருளால் உலகம் தாங்குவதற்கன்றி இங்குறைவன் சித்தனென என்றும் எனதுள்ளே பொங்கி ஒளிரும் புகைப்பல் போகமொடு என்றுள்ளே. எல்லா உலகும் தகையவியலால் புல்லாவினைகள் குணமாம் புகலீது இல்லாததுவாம் எது கண்ணுரலால் எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே. தெரியல்லை உற்று கண்ணுற்றால் கருத்தினால் தூர கருதினாலுமே வருத்தமுறாது வராத வேதாந்த அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் ஆர்க்கும் உண்டாமே. யோசனை மூன்றாம் இத்தலவாசற்கு ஆசருதி கையாதியின்றியுமின் பாசமில் சாயுச்சியம் பயக்கும் ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே.
என்றுமே அறவோர் அன்பர்க்கு இருப்பிடம் இத்தலம்தான்.
bless you all. The space you created, let it become reality. The visualization you held, let it become reality. Tatastu, tatastu, tatastu. We'll start the darshan for the participants who came to Biddi in the ashram, then St. Louis, Toronto, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Tirupattur. All the 4 cities will have Kalpataru darshan. Now first, I will complete the darshan in Biddi.
All the Kalpataru participants are requested to come. Just a minute, please wait.
So I bless you all, let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.